Hello, my name is Mr. Troutman, and I am the Work-Based Learning Coordinator at Prosser. Work-based learning is the experiences we allow you to take where you go on to job sites and do various activities throughout your 2 years at Prosser. Your first year at Prosser, you'll do what we call job shadowing, which is a 4-hour experience, which allows you to go to one of our business partners and just get a short snapshot and interview some employees there and just see what it's like at that business. At the end of your first year or the beginning of your second year, you will do what's called a micro internship. That is a 1-week experience where we ask business partners to let you come, do some hands-on activities, as well as see all aspects of that company. And that should lead into what we call an internship, which will be the last semester of your second year. It will be a paid experience where you will report directly to the job site and do what they do at that company. All of those experiences allow you to see what it will be like upon graduation if you choose to go directly into that field. Many of our interns get hired after graduation and become full-time employees. All of these experiences are available to all of our programs, and we hope that you come to Prosser and get this experience.